Who be this? My name is Solomon Brian. Yes, we talk say health is wealth. If you get money, you need health. If you get health, you need money. If you don't get the two, wahala for you. But as it be so, I get good news for you. You understand? Wetin be that news? Mustard Herbal Tonic, wealth and health in one package. You understand? This one a natural drink for total rejuvenation of your body. Mustard Herbal Tonic na the ogbonge formulation of the very best of nature's herbs to restore and maintain vigor and also give you healthy performance of your body. This product, Mustard Herbal Tonic, get ogbonge active ingredients inside to balance your body pH, reduce radical damage, boost immune system, improve your libido, even enhance fertility for both man and woman. No be play o. Make I give you reasons why you need Mustard Herbal Tonic, just in case you dey ask why I need am. Oya follow me, ma show you. Yes, make I hit you with reasons why you need Mustard Herbal Tonic, just in case you dey ask why I need am. You need am, and I go give you reasons. Number one reason why you need Mustard Herbal Tonic na say to regulate and balance your body pH. To comot all those things like stress, weaknesses, tiredness, headache, body ache wey dey follow pH imbalance. And how this Mustard Herbal Tonic go take do am? E go give your body the perfect pH balance of 7.35 to 7.45, wey be the perfect level wey your body go begin work kakaraka. And that is why you need Mustard Herbal Tonic, na to boost your immune system. Yes, we know say the body get proteins and cells wey dey fight diseases. Any kind thing wey enter the body cause sickness, those things dem go fight am. And dem be the army of the body, the soldier of the body. Wetin Mustard Herbal Tonic go do for you? You go strengthen those things, give them power, energize them, make them kajal to fight those nyama diseases wey wan come inside your body. You see say you need am. Another reason why you need Mustard Herbal Tonic na to detoxify your body system. You know, all this is what we dey chop, we think say we dey enjoy. We see this, we chop. We see this one, we chop. No be enjoyment o. Na killing body. Mustard Herbal Tonic go energize your liver and kidney. Na dem get the responsibility of removing those harmful toxins from your body. Mustard Herbal Tonic go energize and give them strength to do their work as e suppose be, so your body go dey function as e go be. You no go buy this product abi you wan do kidney transplant, my brother, na you sabi o. Another reason why you need Mustard Herbal Tonic na to comot excess blood fat wey dem dey call cholesterol and excess blood sugar for your body. E plenty, e remain, e full ground. Another reason why you need Mustard Herbal Tonic na to improve your libido. Libido. Just in case you dey get complaint for your marriage or your relationship and you don't let this kind of complaint, Mustard Herbal Tonic is here to help your problem, to save your marriage, to save your whatever, so that you and your partner na go fit dey enjoy as e suppose be. If you be man, you go understand wetin I dey talk. Mustard Herbal Tonic go also improve turgidity for men. Turgidity, you see as man be, turgidity. Make I don't go far. Mustard Herbal Tonic also dey help women in this way, and I go explain. For all of them wey dey get irregular menstrual cycle, and they feel so much pain when they menstruate, Mustard Herbal Tonic go help ease those pain, so that you go just go through this process as it's supposed to be normal without pains. Another reason why you need Mustard Herbal Tonic na to reduce blood pressure. Any small thing your heart don dey beat, your heart don dey cut, ping 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 ping. E be like dey hear your village people dem dey call you say make you come. Mustard Herbal Tonic, you need am o to reduce your blood pressure and keep am for the level wey e suppose dey, so that you go fit go through your normal daily activities without stress. And that is why you need Mustard Herbal Tonic, na to give you a clear, glowing, nourished skin. Once you look your body, you go dey see your face. And that kind of skin you want, Mustard Herbal Tonic go help you achieve that kind of thing. And that is why you need Mustard Herbal Tonic, na to help you fight sexually transmitted diseases and sexually transmitted infections. Those ones wey dey your body wey you don't know, or those wey you don treat, wey dem no treat well. Once you begin take this Mustard Herbal Tonic, my brother, my sister, you will testify. Now, I don't give you the benefits. This is not just about the benefits. E plenty, e full ground, e boku, but we will not be finish am like too much. For all of them that say na go dey complain say una no get money, una broke on God when. Mustard Herbal Tonic don come with better opportunity for you to become your own testimony. And how you dey be? By just joining the business of mustard herbal tonic. I'm swimming in money. How did they work? Very simple. As low as 50,000 naira can get you to become your own testimony. When you register with as low as 50,000 naira only, then they'll give you two things. Number one, registration form. Number two, product pack. And that product pack, you go take begin your journey of becoming your own testimony. Inside that product pack, you get 8 bottles of mustard herbal tonic, 5 bottles of 350 ml of mustard herbal tonic, and 3 bottles of 800 ml of mustard herbal tonic. Now for this business, you get what they call PV, point value. This PV now be the currency of this business. As your PV they grow, now so you take the cash out. You understand? So this PV, what they talk about, now be the value of that product pack where they go give you. So when they give you that product pack, it contain 8 bottles. It means that they don't give you 104 PV. And I go explain item 104. You see those 5 bottles of 350 ml. Each of them gets 10 PV on top them as their value. And you see those 3 800 ml bottles of mustard herbal tonic. Each of them get 18 PV each on top their head. Now when you do the math, calculate them together, everything will give you 104 PV. You don't start to money, don't they go? And if you take among the first 100 people to register, you will get bonus of 100 PV as part of our 100 for 100 promo. So you see, say you don't near. So once you enter the Green Product Pack, you get 104 PV plus your bonus 100 PV. Everything will be 200 PV. Your PV don't they grow, they don't they credit for your bank, your award bank. As your award bank they grow, you don't they cash out. Now make I show you 8 ways by which you fit take make money for this mustard herbal tonic business. Number one, now the one they call refer and register a downline. Now for every person when you bring come this business, you go earn 5,000 naira. But the business take be, you need 2 people to start your own downlines. One for your left wing and one for your right wing. So once you register 2 people under you, you go earn 10,000 naira. Hey! Number 2, of how you take make money for this mustard herbal tonic business, I don't know what they call tremendous matching bonus. Now when you don't get one person for your left wing, another person for your right wing, we don't get 100 PV on top one head, another 100 PV on top another one head, you go earn matching bonus of 6,500. And let me just stop. Sweet is still better. You see this 6,500 bonus, what they call tremendous matching bonus. You can earn them as much as 15 times in a single day. So that means as much as your downline they grow. If you even grow rich, you go to collect up to 6,500 bonuses in 15 places in a single day. And if you continue that for the whole week, 7 days, if you they earn like that, which is 7 days, calculate and a serious money be that. Not be play. You understand? Number 3 of how you take make money for this mustard herbal tonic business. I don't know what they call placement bonus. When you refer more than 2 people enter this business, you will collect matching bonus, you will still collect placement bonus. For example, if you refer 4 people, 2 people go there under you, you will collect matching bonus. You will collect bonus on top the remaining 2 people as placement bonus. You say bonus plenty, everywhere cash out. Number 4 way of how you fit make money for this mustard herbal tonic business, I don't know what they call retail sales bonus. This is not the bonus that you go earn when you actually sell the product pack when they give you. That product pack when they give you, the worth now for 500. But you, as a retailer where you be, when you sell, you go sell and reach 52,000 naira. You see, many ways there to make money for this thing. Ever! Number 5 of how you fit make money for this mustard herbal tonic business. Now what they call performance awards. This award now to reward high performing networkers where they go the extra mile for this business. So every month they're going to win better rewards like phones, gadgets, and other correct items. You don't the auto. Number 6 of how you fit take earn and make money for this mustard herbal tonic business. That's what they call uni-level bonus. Every month you go to get uni-level bonus when you complete your PPV, personal point value. Now this level bonus will make you be ambassador for this mustard herbal tonic business, wey go come make you become testimony of your own. Number 7 way of how you take make money for this mustard herbal tonic business, na what they call award table. And this is what they make belle dey sweet me the more. You understand? This award table, as your point value dey increase. Remember say I tell you say your point value PV na be your currency for this business. As your currency dey increase every month, you go dey win wetin? You go dey win awards. Now make I show you as it take be. If you get 7,000 PV for your left wing and 4,000 PV for your right wing, you go collect 120k generator reward. If you get 15,000 PV for your left wing and 9,000 PV for your right wing, you go collect 350,000 naira double door fridge award. Yes, e no stop there. If you get 30,000 PV for your left wing and 20,000 PV for your right wing, you go collect 700,000 naira travel award. More still dey. If you get 70,000 PV for your left wing and 40,000 PV for your right wing, you go collect 1.2 million naira rent award. More still dey. E plenty. If you get 100,000 PV for your left wing and 80,000 PV for your right wing, you go collect 6 million naira car award. You see, say mustard herbal tonic business now to give you opportunity to become your own testimony, but never finish, it still remain. Yes, the number 8 way of how you fit take make money for this mustard herbal tonic business, I know what they call long-term award. Now, when you don't accumulate 600,000 PV and 400,000 PV for any of your wings, maybe left or right, you go collect house bonus of 15 million naira. This one don't be chere cambia. Mustard herbal tonic business is here to make you a testimony of your own. You understand? So the business even dey very easy, dey automated. After your 10th level, the system itself go automatically dey update. So that you go fit dey collect your matching bonus, your placement bonus, your awards, even your long-term award, everything wey you dey entitled to, you go just dey collect am because the business dey wetin? E dey automated, e dey update itself, just dey put you as you suppose be. Mustard herbal tonic business is here to make you the testimony of your own. I'm swimming in money. I'm swimming.